For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, today at Simply Jain, we are going to try the most trending wrap but in a Subway style. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for tortilla wrap are tortilla roti, iceberg, cheese, cucumber, tomatoes, jalapenos, capsicum, mayonnaise, salt and pepper. First take a ready tortilla. You can even make it at home with just maida or even half portion of wheat flour and half of maida. Cut it from one angle. So first we will put some cucumber, then some slices of tomatoes. See to it that the veggies are thinly sliced. Then goes in iceberg and capsicum. So today we are making a Subway style of wrap. So the veggies and sauces will completely depend on y'all, which all y'all want to add. The fourth side goes with cheese and jalapenos. Add salt and pepper on all the sides. Some mayo. You can also add other sauces. And now we will start folding. So we are going to grill this on a pan and then serve it hot. Just put some butter on the pan and put your wrap on it. Once it is golden brown from both the sides, we are going to remove it. A Subway style trending wrap is ready. If you all have more varieties, comment below and we can replicate it. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe